Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, I'll be topwater bass fishing with 3 realistic frogs. And the first one will be the Chasebait Bobbin Frog. The second one is the Burke Realistic Frog. And the third is a Japanese frog called the Imakatsu Mini Frog Finesse. Let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo! Holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. And in this bass fishing video, we're going to be bass fishing frog baits that look realistic. So just like Alex from Keep It Realistic channel, we're going to keep it realistic over here and fish with realistic looking frogs. And the first one that you're going to watch in the video is going to be the Burke Living Realistic Frog. The second will be the Chasebait Bobbin Realistic Frog. And then the third will be a Japanese lure called the Imakatsu Mini Frog right here. And that will be our third frog in the video here. So what we're gonna do, go right on out to the lake and you're gonna watch me on the grass fishing with these realistic frogs. So let's go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and just fish with this Burke Realistic Frog. Missed that one on that little frog. All right. Yeah, missed him again. There we go. There we go. All right. There we go. All right. There we go, everybody. On that little frog. On that little frog there. That Burke Realistic. We got him. All right. All right, there he is. On that Burke Realistic Frog. Okay. All right, everybody. We got one here. It was a little bit of a grind to get one, but we got one. So I'm very happy with this one. And we'll just keep on going and see what we can make happen. All right. All right, there we go. We got one. We all right. There we go. There we go. Woo! This is a big fish. This is a big fish. Ah. Ooh. This is a big fish. Woo, everybody. Whoa! Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that one right there. Oh. I got him. Look what I got him on. I got him on that little $2.99 frog right there. That Burke Frog. Wow. All right. Woo. Look at this one, everybody. On that little cream Burke Frog. That little frog, man. Put in work. And I got this nice one right here. Probably well over 2 pounds right here. On that frog, man. On that little frog. Amazing. All right. Well, everybody, that was a nice one. That was a nice one. Probably a little over 2 pounds there, going across that weeded area over there. And crazy enough, it was on that Burke Cream Frog, which is crazy. That's like the craziest little $2 frog, but it put in the work and it really made it happen. So I'm really impressed with that Burke Frog. It works out. All right. All right. We're going to go ahead and fish with our Chasebait Bobbin Frog right here. We're going to go ahead and go fish with it. All right. Oh, shoot. Good Lord. Good Lord. That was a big fish. I hope you guys saw that right there. That was a big fish. It came up on that frog. And he just came in and swung at it. He never bit it. And it almost scared me a little bit, startled me a little bit there because I didn't expect that. Thought there was a little fish over there. So that was impressive. All right, we'll keep going. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo! Got him on that Z-Man frog right there. Nice. There he is. On that frog, on that Z-Man frog. Nice one right there. Got him on that frog. All right. All right, everybody. There he is. On that Chasebait frog. No complaints. On that Chasebait frog right there. All right. All right, everybody. Got this nice one on that Chasebait frog right here. No complaints, man. It's a little rainy out here, but we got him. So, all right. No complaints. All right. This is what we came here for. Got this nice one right here. All right. On that Chasebait frog. Okay. All right. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and fish with our little Japanese finesse frog and see what we can make happen with it. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, God. Oh, God. Wow, missed that one right there, man. That was a nice bass on that little finesse frog, that little Ikiwachi, that Japanese finesse frog. That was a nice one. But we're learning, and we'll keep on going. All right. There it goes. That's a little one. There we go. All right. All right, everybody. On that frog, on that little finesse frog there, we got that one. On that little finesse frog, as you can see right there. Not a big one, but we're proving the theory out here. They're going to hit it. Now I got him. Look at that little one. Did you guys see that one right there? Just a little one right there, grabbing that little frog. So that finesse frog definitely is getting attention. I just got to set the hook on him good. All right. There we go. There we go. Oh, God. I lost him. There we go. Woo! Woo! I got you, buddy boy. I got you. Oh! Whoa! Woo! Look at that one, everybody. Mega. Big bass. Big bass on that lure. Wow. Look at that, everybody. That's a nice one on that little mini frog right there. The mini Japanese frog. All right. Everybody, Saltwater Johnny, man. Look at this monster right here on that mini finesse Iwan frog right there. That mini finesse. This is a big boy right here. No complaints. Look at the size of this one right here. Woo! That's a pre-spawn bass, and she's nice and big right now. All right. All right. This one is 2.6 pounds right here. Nice bass. All right, everybody. Wow, on that little frog. Big bass on that little frog. No complaints. All right. Hey everybody, Saltwater Johnny, man. Wow. All those little misses, that little bass, and then this one, woo, that's a nice bass. That's how you want to close out a video right there. So no complaints on that one right there. Hit that little frog, exploded on it. So we don't have any complaints. All right, everybody. Well, hope you enjoyed that one right there. That was a nice one. On that one, we're going to go ahead and close it out. And we're just going to go ahead and go back to the studio and talk about what's happened here with these topwater realistic frogs. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed that video here. So glad that I was able to get those 3 realistic frogs out there over some time, fish them, and catch some nice fish on each one of them. It was a grind. You saw me miss a few, but it worked out and I was able to make it happen. What I want to do really quick is give you a closer look of each of these realistic frogs, just so you can get a closer look at it. Then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay. All right, everybody, here's a closer look at the 3 realistic frogs that I was fishing with in the video. First one over here is a Burke living realistic frog right here, using that eagle claw hook. Got the weedless presentation, as you can see right here. Got the Chasebait Bobbin Frog right here, as you can see right here, Bobbin Frog. And then finally, I am using the Imakatsu finesse mini frog right here, as you can see. And it doesn't come with this actual lure or actual hook right here. I actually replaced it. And I want to show you something else about this one that's very unique. It even has little air holes in the back of it as well. So it does compress down. So because it was able to compress down, I decided to add a actual frog hook to this actual lure here. Let me get this straight here for everybody. So I decided to add, as you can see right here, a actual frog hook to this particular lure right here. I just want to show everybody that so that you can see that. And the actual frog hook I used, which is funny, came from this frog right here. I took it off of this frog, removed it out of here, and then put it on to this lure right here so that I would have a weedless, but yet have that frog hook presentation on this one as well. So I just wanted to show everybody the up close and personal look at the 3 realistic topwater frogs I used in this video to catch all 3 of my very big bass. All right. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that review of those frogs there. I wanted to give you a closer look at them. Also give you a little bit of more data on them here as far as they go. This is once again, this is the Burke frog right here. This frog right here actually got a Bass Pro Shop, $2.99 catching big bass on it. That was really great. This one right here is the actual Chasebait Bobbin Frog. See, the leg is missing because they bit the leg off of it. But this lure cost me $11.99. And then finally is the lure, the Japanese lure, the Imakatsu that you can see right here. This lure actually costs $16, but you get a package of 5 of them. They don't come with hooks or anything like that. So it's going to be up to you to hook it the way that you want to hook this lure. But as you can see right here, great look to it. As you saw in my closer look, I actually added on there a frog hook to this one right here. And I really do like this Japanese lure right here. Comes in a package of 5. So what I'm going to do going forward here is I'm going to fish this Japanese lure, this frog, some more. So you're going to see some videos in the future of me fishing with this lure. And I'm going to try different lure with really hook combinations. So I'm going to front load it, meaning I'm going to hook it in the front. I'm going to hook it, frog hook it again, hook it in the back as a trailer on the back with a trailer hook on the back of it. And I'm going to see which one of these improves my overall hookup ratio when I'm fishing it. So you're going to see this lure in the future again. I'm going to do some modifications to it and just see how successful I can be fishing top water on this lure with different combos and different setups to see if I can make this lure work even better. So I love to get you guys' thoughts about these frogs. Have you fished any one of these frogs before? Have you ever seen these frogs? What's your thoughts about it? The Burke's been around forever, so I'm sure you guys have seen this one, but it still does work. Gets a little tangled at times, and that's what I noticed with these lures. They can get tangled if they don't have enough weight on them. And so when I was fishing it, I was initially fishing it with my lighter tackle. So I had my actual 7-foot medium rod, 8-pound braid, because I really was trying to get it out there, get some good finessing, get it out there, not let the line be so heavy on the water because I'm fishing braid, but just get the line out there and let the lure do the work. So I was using that. Maybe in the future I might bump up and go to 12-pound braid, a little bit heavier, because I am going through some nasty stuff when I'm fishing in that grass. But I just wanted to show you guys how these realistic lures can produce fish, whether in a lake or in a pond, and I hope that you enjoyed that. Also, coming up this week, I'm going to be releasing a video called my top 5 top water lures for the pre-spawn, because the pre-spawn has started down here, starting to begin, and it's important if you're going to fish top water in the pre-spawn to kind of know which top water lures might prove to be the most successful during that time, because when they're in the pre-spawn, they're behaving a certain way. When they're in the spawn, they're in a certain way, and in the post-spawn, they're in a certain way. So this starts off our top 5 for the pre-spawn. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys as well. Finally, please like and subscribe to the channel. Love to get you guys' thoughts and feedback. I've had some great opportunities over the last couple of weeks to fish, so I'm eager to drop these new lures. I've got some more lures that I want to show you guys and reveal to you guys. So it's all very exciting because even for you guys up north, it's starting to get warm. The ice will start breaking, and you're going to be out there, and you really want to have some lures that you're excited about as well. So I want to bring you as many new lures as I can so you're ready for your time on the water. So once again, this is Top Water Johnny. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those top water lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right.